Introducing the 2011 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 250,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll be comfortable, connected, and focused on the road or trail ahead in this capable Tacoma. Driver assistance technology, including a backup camera, comes standard, as does a composite bed, deck rail system, and no shortage of can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, traction control, passenger vanity mirror, tire pressure monitoring system, adjustable steering wheel, auxiliary audio input, MP3 player, power mirror, power windows. You need practical, but you want fun. Don't miss out. Get the best of both worlds when you get into this super versatile Tacoma. Come in and meet our expert team. We know what it takes to give you an outstanding test drive experience.